Alright, so cruising down the highway at a safe speed. Got the sunroof open. Check this out. Good old 65 sunroof. Back on the road. Fairly quiet, a lot of wind noise, a lot of car noise, but running pretty good. Heading over to Wolfsburg West. Gotta get a sunroof crank, or the bolt for it. Got the crank. The old 65 sunroof back on the road. Yep, this is the maiden voyage for this car pretty much. Put some gas in it. Gas gauge, of course, works. I already had somebody try and buy it from me, but you know, I've had a few of those so far and I haven't even got it ready for sale. So I got the title and all that done, got the insurance, wanted to drive it a little bit, make sure everything's right. Seems pretty right, so we'll take a look in the driveway at Wolfsburg and check it out. Alright, so we're heading over to Wolfsburg West, gonna see out if they got this bolt I need. Steering with my knee, like the old days when I used to eat lunch while I was driving my bug. But it was my daily. Now it's just for fun. This is what it's all about, guys. Get your ride done. You get to drive it a little bit. Check it out. Sounds good too. Alright, so here's the car. This door was popping open. There we go. Over here at Wolfsburg West. Took a drive out in it. And yeah, it's still in one piece. Some guy asked if I wanted to sell it when I told him 11,000. He thought that was high, but that's really not for a car like this. This is actually very cheap. Could never build this car for that price. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.